Guten Tag, Haley here. I tried to do Russian accent with German voiceover, right, for in honor of Hurricane Katya, who is neither spelled like Russian name nor is Katya probably even a German name. So it makes no sense really. So here is earthquake, or as they say in German, here is die Erdbeben, Erdbeben. I'm not sure what plural is. Anyway, here we go with the Etka, Alaska. It's always Etka, Alaska, isn't it? 4.5 and the 4.6 recently. 5.1 yesterday. Look at that. Etka. So I would not want to live there if I were you. Here are current national weather hazards, or in German, Schlechtwetterdinger. That's right. It is official German terminology. You heard it here first. So here we have a excessive heat warning, where it's sehr heiß. Here we have red flag warning, where there is big chance of fire, and and other stuff because of tropical storm Lee. Here is always flooding up there, and there is severe thunderstorm there. Here is hurricane warning or watch. I don't know. We look at it later. Here is the strange looking map, and here's tropical storm Lee on map. And look, a cold front come through apparently. And so have we seen the last of the really? Whoops, it's tomorrow. See, tropical storm Lee. Anyway, have we seen the last of the really hot weather? I don't know. I am not a meteorologist. Here is where it's a Trockenheit, I believe is the word, or a Dürre. I'm not German. I do not know which word I should use here. But it's dry. It's trocken out there. And they would like some Regen or some Regnen. I'm not sure of the word. Here is who will actually get. And NOS. There'll be their NOS there in Mississippi and Alabama. 9.0 inches on the inches scale. This right in 5 days. Precipitation forecast. Here is who is flooded. I forgot to look up word for flood. I can't even help you there. 37 locations in flood. Hurricane Irene, or as they say in German, Hurricane Irene, I don't know. And Tropical Storm Lee causing flooding. So Hurricane Irene still causing flooding on river gauges. Here is today. Oh, I forgot. Let us change to hybrid. It look slightly easier. Slight risk area there. Slight risk area there. And, there's already been stuff out there. But we look at the probability specifically of wind, and there it is up north. As well as the hail. However, guess who get the tornado? Tropical Storm Lee bring tornado to area. And here is tomorrow, with the slight risk where Tropical Storm Lee is. And if you notice, if you watch Screencast often, or if you don't, this is inaccurate. The data set, I can't control it. But it is wrong, because if there is slight risk here, that means there is 15% chance. So when you look at this and you say 5% chance, there should be a 15% chance there. Because, obviously, here, let's reload it, just in case. No. So it's broken. It's not my fault. Don't blame me. But here is where we have tornado today. A big shocker. It is where the Tropical Storm Lee area is. That's right. And I don't know why I bring this up, but here you go. Here is the warning map as of whenever I refreshed it. So, probably. Here, we hit reload. We see if anything new. No, severe thunderstorm and then flooding up there. No tropical cyclones at this time in the eastern Pacific. But here again we have Lee. Tropical storm Lee. And we have Hurricane Katya, who yesterday was not forecasted to become major hurricane. Now Hurricane Katya is saying again major hurricane. However, they show Hurricane Katya de-intensifying there. So, and here are models, and that's kind of interesting to me because it make it look here like it get closer. I don't know. But so it still appears that models are showing that Hurricane Katya is not going to hit the United States. However, edge of Hurricane Katya and Katya could affect the surrounding weather, obviously, and stuff. But the hurricane herself apparently will not make landfall. Anyway, you go on over to a site called WickedWix. It's the thing in this address bar here. WICKEDWX. You have a fantastic, fantastic day, whether you are cold or whether you are hot or whether you in buckets and buckets of water under tropical storm.